Hey guys, it's me Taya back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a mask for you guys that you guys can probably already tell by the title. I'm going to be using my Aztec Clay Mask. Am I saying that right? My Aztec Clay Mask. So I'm going to be using this mask. I'm not sure if you guys know, but I recently just got out the hospital, so my hair has been a little dry. It does look pretty good now because I did go ahead and pre-poo it. That's how dry my hair was. Like, I will probably try to insert before I decided to go ahead and pre-poo my hair. So yes, I just got out the hospital. I'm okay now, in case some of you guys were wondering. I'm totally good now. I just had an episode, so I'm over it now. I'm good, but you guys know my hair suffered because I didn't get a chance to oil my scalp. What, you know, just like spray some water in it. Like throughout the week, I like to go through and just kind of, you know, massage my scalp with oil. Spray my hair down, nothing. My hair was just straight dry the whole 7 days while I was in the hospital. My hair was dry, so you guys can only imagine what my hair looked like. So now that I'm done telling you guys why I'm doing this reset, let's just go ahead and get started. Apple cider vinegar, and yes, it has the mother, and this is the huge Big Daddy bottle. I got this because my mom likes to drink it. Me, not so much. I probably should. I've tried it before, but it's just not my cup of tea. But you know, occasionally where you need to cleanse, I might need to go ahead and drink this, to be honest. But for now, I love it in my hair, so I haven't really gotten I need to work my way up. Y'all know how it is. You gotta work your way up to certain things. So because I need to work my way up, we just won't stick with putting it in the head because it is great. It has so many benefits. And again, make sure you get the one with the mother. It doesn't necessarily have to be Bragg's. The brand Bragg's, but any apple cider vinegar with the mother should work. I'm just gonna go ahead and eyeball this, and this is the little container that I'll be putting it in. So yes. So how have you guys been doing? Ooh, okay. I'm just eyeballing it. I probably should have took my spoon and did it, but I'm just kind of eyeballing it just to see how much I need. And this is like, I don't even know how much I put in here, guys. Like, ooh, maybe 1/8 of a cup. I don't even know. Let me see if I can. So I put pretty much like that much in there. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and pour my apple cider vinegar in here. And you just wanna make sure you kind of like mix it up. Not shake it, but just mix it up. Just so all the good nutrients can get in your mix. I don't know how people drink this. I'm sorry. Like, this is what? Like, and I'm drinking it too. I'm acting like, I don't know how it smells, y'all. Let me calm down. I guess it's not that serious, but it really kind of is. So it's bubbling. It's like bubbling. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it in. So that's how I like it. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys want me to make a video showing you my favorite pre-poos. So you guys see how like nice and detangled my hair is, y'all? Like, look at that. Like, yes, pre-poo treatment come through. This is why I love pre-pooing, because when I tell you my hair was raggedy, y'all, like it was definitely not where it needed to be. So what you want to do is spray your hair with the water. Just saturate your hair. Because you don't really want to put it on dry hair. I like to apply like all my mask and stuff to like damp or wet hair. So I'm just working the water in, and then I'm just taking a little bit of the clay and I'm just starting at the ends and just working it in my hair. And you just want to make sure that you coat your hair, like all of your hair. And when I say like, y'all, this thing is elongating my curls. Not only is it elongating my curls, but it's also giving me like, my curls are popping. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but look at that, y'all.
Like,
so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and keep going, and I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me as I go through the rest of my hair. But that's pretty much all you want to do, is just get your hair nice and saturated with the water, and then just take the clay and make sure that all your strands are pretty much nice and coated from root to tip. And this is how it's looking so far, you guys. And normally, you guys, I always start off using my gloves, but I just wanted to make sure that my hair was nice and soft. I just wanted to really see how my hair took to the pre-poo that I did. So that's why I just kind of wanted to use my hands initially. But if you guys can't use your hands, like if it's just too messy for your liking, then yeah, feel free to use your gloves. Like, it's totally up to you. Most of the time when I shampoo my hair, y'all know I always tell y'all to shampoo your roots only. Unless your hair is like excessively dirty, then you have to shampoo the whole thing. Even though this is a cleanser, it's mild enough where you can put it all over your hair, and it's like an all over cleanser too. So, you know, you want to make sure you coat your entire hair in the mask, not just your roots, if that makes sense. I think y'all get what I'm trying to say. I trust y'all. This is how it looks once everything has been applied to my hair. As you guys can see, my curls are super elongated. And my hair is really growing, you guys. See if I can do a quick little length check for you guys. If you are having issues with retaining length and just keeping your curls intact and just trying to figure out ways to grow your hair, just make sure that you are following my tutorials, and they will pretty much help you grow your hair. And I'm probably going to be doing a how to grow your hair long video soon, so if you guys want that, make sure you put a pink heart at the end of the video, or just put a pink heart in the comment section. I'm going to wash it out, and then I'm just going to come back and show you guys the final results. Okay guys, so I just got out the shower. I just wanted to show you guys, like, I was so excited I had to jump out the shower and show you guys. I have not even shampooed my hair yet, you guys, because I just had to show y'all this. Like, come on, y'all can't tell me my hair not popping. Like, come on, like yo, look at these curls though. Oh my god, like, they just look so good. Like no product though, that's the thing, no product. Like, I'm just gonna let y'all watch. Like, can y'all see this? Look how elongated my curls are. I haven't even shampooed my hair, you guys, because I just had to come out. You guys can still see a little bit of the residue, just a little bit of the stuff, but I mean, my curls are just like, look at this, you guys. Like if I were to get results like these in a salon and they told me they were using like a little $8 mask, yo, they would get my money every week. I'm trying to tell y'all. Like, look at the definition. And that's straight out the shower, no shampoo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I gotta get back in the shower to finish washing my hair.